Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable the addresses icon on Google Chrome for PC, especially after the latest update. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by making it easier to access your favorite sites. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're not already running it, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to launch it. Once you have Chrome open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, scroll down to find the Settings option. Click on it, and you will be taken to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it to access appearance-related settings. Here, you'll find several options that you can tweak to make Chrome look and function just how you like it. After clicking on Appearance, navigate to Customize your toolbar. This section allows you to manage what icons and features appear in your toolbar for quick access. Finally, here's the key step. Enable the Addresses icon. You should see an option labeled Addresses or something similar. Toggle this setting on. Once enabled, you will notice that the Addresses icon appears in your toolbar, allowing for easier navigation and access to your saved addresses. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing settings through the menu, navigating to Appearance, customizing your toolbar, and enabling addresses, you can enhance your browsing experience significantly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!